this one and move on to next one. And probably the last one, considering the first one just went on for so long. So this one is very simple. We are going to throw basketballs at the Earth until everybody dies. So this is normal Earth. Yeah, obviously, very impressive atmosphere. Alright, so we got 10 kilometers per second here. But we're talking about basketballs, so if we're going to cause any kind of damage to this planet, we need to use this in light speed. So let's start out with 500 times the speed of light. Let's aim for the Gulf of California. And nothing happened. Nothing at all. Well, wait. Let's check the temperature map and see if there's... Nope, nothing. It looks completely normal. So basketball at 500 times light speed did nothing. So, next logical step, let's add a 0 to it. I'm gonna aim at Hawaii this time. Basketball. And nothing happened. Again. And yes, I'm just kind of casually going at 5,000 times light speed because this game doesn't give a heck. All right, let's bump it up to 75,000. Like, this game doesn't give a heck as far as like what you're allowed to do in physics. Alaska, you're up. Basketball. There we go. 75,000 light speed here. Alaska's gotta react to this. There we go. There we go. We got something. Nothing burned up, but at least I melted a whole lot of ice. So at 75,000 times light speed, that's when a basketball actually starts to matter. Like, the rest of the planet outside of that one blast zone is totally normal. And I'm sure that when we look at the Earth similarity, it's going to be basically the same. Nothing changed there. So if we, like, speed up a bunch of... So if we speed up time, let's see how fast it takes to recover that. Oh, it's spreading. Oh, that's cool. So, like, it's spreading and freeing up the ice, but now it's already back to normal. We didn't even get through a full day, and already it's completely back to normal. So clearly I wasn't throwing it hard enough. Alright. So, I think it's safe to say that we could survive that. So let's go up to 480,000 light speed. And I'm going to throw this at Oman. Okay, we can speed up time a little more than that. Here we go. It's totally arbitrary targets, mind you. Here we go. Ooh. Alright, so not much of a fireball, but it did melt some of the crust. Like only like the very impact zone right there on the coast of Oman actually is flaming. What's kind of cool on the map is that you can still see like a little bit of an afterglow of that first impact. So we have a little bit more of a spread here. It's not just a single pixel at 1695. That was the major update that was being looked at, by the way, is the maps. The map system has been significantly upgraded, which they said, of course, involves having a much better graphics card. But I guess mine's doing okay so far. If I just keep it simple like this. Oh yeah, we're gonna go into 7 digits. Oh shoot. A little too fast there. Okay, this one's actually staying bad for a while. Like, it's still, like, the bubble is kind of expanding, and we're still... Like, basically anyone on the Arabian Peninsula is being fried right about now. That's a lot of human beings, too. Like, it doesn't look too bad from space, but, like, anything above... Like, we're talking 90, 80 degrees for a pretty wide stretch of humanity right there. But it's not the whole planet, so we can't really say that we've done enough to cause any extinctions. Well, actually, the island of Socotra, just off of Yemen, has a lot of endemic species, so we've probably caused some extinctions on that island. Alright. I'm gonna say next up is Istanbul. $1,125,000 times the speed of light. Wait, what? What did I just do? Well, it doesn't matter if I've selected a star there, because it's the one key on my keyboard that releases a basketball. You can... Whoa! Also, I didn't even realize this, but all of Northern Europe was frozen over before I did that. I'm just curious, like, what this looks like standing, like, right here. So, like, frozen, 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 and then, oh my god! You can actually stand right on the surface, too, and look at the clouds above you. This is a really cool simulation. Okay, so obviously, a lot of people are gonna get hacked right now. Yeah, like what I failed to notice is that all of Europe is frozen basically. So at least it did a favor to, like, I don't know, the Czech Republic. It might survive. Alright, well, speed things up again. Wait, first of all. Okay, we're going down a little bit here. We're going down to 98.9 and then 98.8 life likelihood. Of course, those numbers do not take into account the fact that so many people already live on this planet, and I easily just knocked out probably like 130 million people within a split second. And it's only gonna get worse as we speed time up here. Because that fireball's gonna keep spreading. This is probably the most engrossing game that I've ever seen. Like, you can manipulate time to, like, watch things happen at exactly the kind of pace you want. So, like, we can see everything being melted. And, like, the extreme lack of limits on this game. Because, like, hello, I just threw a basketball at Earth at 1,125,000 times the speed of light. Like, the the extreme disregard of limits, like, make this so endearing and enjoyable to play. Yeah, that's probably one of my favorite, like, Earth at night things is Egypt. Like, seeing all of those settlements along the Nile. Bright strip of gold. Well, I've killed that many humans. If there's ever, if there's, like, if you wanted a clear indication of impact radius, there you go. Sometimes the best way to see something is to see it in pitch darkness. I think it's still expanding slightly. Yeah, that was an impact. But I don't think we can call that exterminating. Like, there's still people left. China, India are pretty much unscathed, and the two Americas haven't really been hit that hard yet. Although, for whatever reason, every time there's a... Actually, I know why. This is actually extremely impressive. So, like, whenever a great deal of energy has been discharged from the Earth, whether it be an impact or a supervolcano, there's like a nuclear winter that happens, and we're actually seeing that in this game with like all of Russia being frozen solid, North Korea starting to be frozen, and like half of China is uninhabitable. We've been seeing like Nevada getting frozen. Like, every one of these basketballs is causing a nuclear winter. But not at the South Pole, though. Also, Earth is still rotating kind of normal. I think. Well, let's check. Okay, eccentricity is normal. Rotation, normal. Okay, yeah, nothing has knocked the planet out of its norms. So we're gonna move on. $7,500,000 times the speed of light. Or was it India? Or maybe Sri Lanka. I don't know. Sri Lanka. Go! Yeah. Woo! Ho-ho-ho! Yeah, that's pretty bad. Oh my gosh. Look at all that melting that just immediately took place on impact. Like, there's suddenly oceans within like in the Indus Valley. The only thing stopping the oceans from covering all of the continent is just the Himalayas, which are suddenly no longer snowy. So it looks like 7.5 million times the speed of light is what it takes to just wreck the entire planet. Mass loss rate not enough. Well, we're basically not moving. Okay, I knocked the Earth similarity down to 85.2% with that one. And life likelihood is now just below 90. So, will this one cover the whole planet? Because, like, the problem with this being a basketball is that the impactor is basically the head of a pin. So, like, it's so fine that, like, the actual impact may not actually change the whole world. Although, like, it looks like it's just a little bullseye, but well outside the bullseye, we're getting temperatures, but we were getting temperatures at several hundred degrees. Wait, did the Earth's rotation just slow down? We still have an atmosphere. That's something. Sahara looks normal. All of, well, Europe is no longer frozen over. Well, the South Pole, what does it look like? And so the two Americas look fairly normal. I mean, North America's still in the nuclear winter. How about Australia? Australia's pretty much fine. I like how some parts of the blast radius are cooling down faster than others. Oh my gosh, what did I do to India's coastline? Oh wait, actually not that much. It looked like I changed it because like there's some, like some of the lines of the blast look like they were like lacerating the continental crust, but it's not really that dramatic. The nuclear winter is expanding, though it looks like it might even reach Louisiana and Florida. Imagine Florida freezing over. That's when you know we're all hacked. Alright, let's speed it up a little bit. Alright, well, it looks normal now, but as you can see from the map, we still have temperatures of 1,000 degrees at the epicenter. It continues to expand, and we got like 200. Well, it's still, like, it's expanding, but you're right, I don't think the whole world is gone yet. Obviously, we need to hit the Americas next. I'll aim for, like, Panama, like, right between the two Americas. This will be my first strategic target of the entire simulation. So yeah, Earth actually takes quite a bit of effort to kill if you're just throwing a basketball at it. Stunning revelation, I'm sure. Alright, Americas. Alrighty. We're going 37.1 million light speed for this. Yes, my numbers are arbitrary. Get used to it. Oh boy. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Okay, that's it. We destroyed the world. We don't have an atmosphere anymore. We're glowing, and we don't have an atmosphere anymore. I think we've done it now. Once you, yeah, it's official. 20.1% Earth similarity and 0 life. Yeah, 37.1 million light speed with a basketball will take out the entire atmosphere. Also, the magnetic field is getting awfully small. I should have been tracking that. Wait, why does it still say that we have an atmosphere? I guess we need to speed time up. Wait, greenhouse effect is 959 degrees? Why do we have a 959 degree greenhouse effect? I don't think the greenhouse effect is the reason why the planet is so hot right now. Whoa, pulsating! Well, it stopped glowing real quick. That's not gonna get its atmosphere back, though. I love how the minimum temperature has constantly stayed at negative 51 degrees. Well, the average is back to just a few hundred. The greenhouse effect is going... Okay, why does it say we still have an atmosphere? We clearly don't. There's no more clouds. Wait, let me check something. Get rid of the surface material. Okay, nothing much has changed in terms of, like, the pure Earth. So, like, using that tool, we can just get rid of the continent-sized impact crater. I have no idea why it says we still have the same atmosphere. Or at least almost the same. Oh look, the Earth similarity is coming right back up. This is starting to anger me. Like, are you... Like, how do you hit it that hard and have the game suddenly decide, you know what? We're gonna give this planet another shot. We're gonna make it habitable again. Like, you can't recover from this. Come on. This? You're dead. Water's a gas. Hydrogen's a gas. Well, hydrogen's always a gas. Let me check the motion. Did I do anything to the rotation? No! I couldn't do anything with the rotation. Or the orbit. That's interesting. Like, this planet is trying to stay alive. It really is. It's futile, though. You've been eliminated. I've destroyed you. I wanted to declare that the win. Because, look, we still... Like, the Earth similarity is coming back, but the life isn't. I mean, I blew out the entire atmosphere, so we can't have life here. Remember, like, planet Trunks still had enough. Oh, there, it's coming back. Like, planet Trunks even still had potential for life after the rest of Vegeta's family destroyed it. But, like, the thing is, because it went down to 0, everything is extinct. So this is the chances of of life spontaneously repopulating the Earth. Oh no, we still have a little bit of an atmosphere. Okay, Earth similarity is now stuck at 70. It's moving up again. Gosh darn it! You can just shut up. I commentator curse everything. It's unbelievable. I commentator curse my own attempts to destroy the Earth. It's amazing. How do I do it? Alright, well, that's pretty well destroyed. So, you know what's left to do? What's left to do is punt the Earth out of the entire solar system. You know how we do that? Just throw a much bigger object at it. Because, like, if we throw a big object at the Earth at a really, really high speed, the game kind of doesn't know how to process that. So instead of just totally eviscerating the planet, it'll just like take the planet on. It'll just like transfer its momentum into Earth and take it for a ride out of the plane of existence. So we're still at 30. Was it 37.1 million? Yeah. But now we're going to throw Vesta at the Earth. Please don't crash. Okay, Vesta is now hitting the Earth at 37.1 million light speed. See, like, it tried. It briefly tried to just kill everything. But now, instead of just blowing the whole planet up, we are being punted out of the solar system at 1,634 times the speed of light. Our eccentricity, the eccentricity of Earth's orbit is now 54.3 trillion. That's our eccentricity. An eccentricity of 1 gets you out of the solar system. We have an eccentricity of 54.3 trillion. Also, apparently, just nuclear winter hit all at once. The whole planet just completely freaked out and is now absolute zero. So we're gonna like pass by the sun in less than a second. See, we're going at 8.16 milliseconds per second. So we're moving so fast that we're gonna pass right by the sun in less than a second of real time. Punt. Bye, sun. And let's just go ahead and speed up time and Yeah. I just blow past everything. This is real time now. This is how fast planet Earth is going at real time. We're past Uranus, we're past Neptune. Oh, there's Eris. And now we're past Eris. Also, now, like... Now we're looking at the lit side. And we're facing the sun, which is all kinds of wrong. Oh, look, shoot. There's the impact. The actual impact is finally actually...
Big surprise.
The actual impact is finally registering. What? We have a non-zero life likelihood. Why do we have a non-zero life likelihood? It's so stupid. We're in hyperbola, 100 AUs away from the sun, and we're just going ridiculously far from the solar system, and they're saying there's a chance. They're saying there's a chance. We're literally a planet at absolute zero, blasting away from the sun at 1,400 times the speed of light, and they think there's a chance at life. Well, that's a really cool pattern, though. I like the pattern. And this deluded game still thinks that we have a regular atmosphere, despite being punted out of the solar system at 1,426 times the speed of light. Ooh, that's kind of cool, actually. So the fireball turns up in black. Or does it? Maybe that's just the sun. Oh yeah, that's the sun, because it doesn't quite match the fireball. Oh, no, there's a fireball. It's still visible. Alright, let's watch the life likelihood in real time. It's going up. What? That's how far away we are from the sun already. Uh-oh. And the rest of our oceans are freezing. How about E is freezing? What the fireball? It's not really enough to stop the freezing. Got one of those moments when a planet-wide fireball can't stop the freezing. But I'm assuming it's going to be planet-wide by the end of it. Alright, let's speed up. Why is the life likelihood going up? Why? It's over 1%. How can there be more than a 1% chance at life? I will say, though, this game has a lot of very visually beautiful and impressive ways of exterminating all life. And then promptly denying everything by saying that we're getting more and more likely to have life as we continue to be punted out of existence. I mean, look at it. Like, the Kuiper Belt is just a bunch of tiny little dots around the sun. How far are we? We're at 2% now, holy crap. We're 7,000 AUs from the sun. And the game thinks that we're a 2% likelihood of having life. Okay, this is officially the stupidest thing that I've ever seen in this game. And yep, the fireball is going around the entire world, which is completely frozen at absolute zero, which I'm not even going to argue with this time because it should be absolute zero because we're 7,000 AU from the sun. And we're not going to see any other stars. Because, like, yes, there's this background, but, speed up. Like, there's a background here, but it doesn't actually have a star database. There is a star database in Celestia, but there's a whole lot less extermination codes in that game. But I wonder, what if we start using a laser on the Earth? How will that affect the life likelihood? I'm just ad-libbing at this point. Let's give it a nice wide radius. But not quite that powerful. Let's start it. Oh god, we're going into negatives now. 1 petawatt. Yeah, we don't want to go too hard. We don't want to just vaporize the entire planet. Right, this is not doing much. 100 petawatts? Oh, there we go. We're doing something. Increase speed a little bit. And, increase the power level. Okay, we're doing some more definite effects now. But it doesn't change the fact that the whole thing is at absolute zero. Okay. We're 2 light years away from the sun already. We're literally halfway to the nearest star. And the life likelihood is still increasing. Oh, we did it. We finally triggered a temperature. That's not absolute zero. Alright, well, let's quadruple the power level. That'll do something. Or will it? Man, it's hard to get this to register. Like, it registered, but now it won't do it again. You have to quadruple the power level. Alright, double it again. Okay, double it again. How did it get that one thing to trigger? guess this thing intends to keep insulting me by saying that the life likelihood is still as high as it always was. The sun is just an insignificant dot. Like, it's not even that much brighter than other stars. From our perspective. Oh, welcome back. Double it again. This crust is very hard to break with this laser. Double. Like, I broke it one time, and they... Oh, God, visual glitches. All the visual glitches. I really should stop. Double. Oh my God. Just freaking do something. Double. I'm not leaving until you do something. Double. Okay, well, the life likelihood is not going up. It's staying at 2.79%. So now I'm kind of curious if we just speed up time again, will it actually start going down again? Well, it's staying there. At least it's not going up anymore. Oh, you can even see Sri Lanka through this. Kind of nice. Double. Oh my God. Just do something, please. Double. Rapid fire clicking. There we go. I got him. I got the Earth. Got it real good, apparently, too. And that did absolutely nothing for the life likelihood or anything. Took me so long to actually break through that icy crust. And that's my reward for it? Oh, we got water, though. Well, for now. The Caspian Sea has been liberated. Oh, I think I know why it isn't working that well. And it's because Earth is moving so fast that the lasers have a hard time actually hitting the planet. Because, like, yes, lasers travel at the speed of light, but Earth is moving 1,000... Wait, how fast was it moving again? 1,634 times the speed of light? So, yeah. Oh, well. I think I'm about done. This wasn't quite as thrilling as I was hoping it would be.